Today's episode is gonna be gourmet ramen. What do you think about that, Jackie?
Sounds like a plan, Wojtek.
We're gonna get some basic ingredients, cook it up, so it'll be gourmet crazy ingredient.
What kind of crazy ingredients are you talking about?
So we realized that all the ramen is gone except this one. So we have to make B.
I think we're gonna make the chicken first, cooking the vegetables in the broth.
Pro tip, if you want to make your gourmet ramen even more gourmet, ditch the container it comes in and use a nice bowl. We're back from the store and we got everything we need.
Yeah, looks done, right?
Put this one that side.
No, I did not season the chicken with the salt. We're not gonna season that with the salt.
And go. Go ahead. And go.
Tastes like chips.
Hard.
So hard?
Mm-hmm. Okay. It needs more salt.
I like that. It's more gourmet than the ramen in a cup.
We want to thank Piotrek
For creating the soundtrack to our B-roll video. Thank you for watching our Dramatic Eats video where we attempted to make gourmet ramen noodles.
Please comment, like.
No. Thank you for watching our Dramatic Eats video where we attempted to make gourmet ramen noodles.
Now if you like this video, please comment, like, and if you want to see more of these videos, please subscribe.
Smacznego.
Okay, now let's make some